everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. This is homemade dahi. It's very tasty and delicious and let me show you. Look at this. This is what you need. Firm. When you're going to eat it, you will like it. It's not like a gluey or watery. This is the best homemade dahi. And I'm going to show you today how to make this dahi in easy steps. And let's get started. Very delicious. This is the best homemade dahi and very easy to make. I'm using vitamin D milk, 1 gallon, which is 3.78 liters. I'll open it. Pot, and we're going to start the burner. As you can see, we washed the pot. It's a good idea to use a heavy bottom stainless steel pot. So this is a 1 gallon milk. Cover it with the lid. We're going to bring the milk to boil. As you can see, the milk started to boil. We're going to make sure that it boils up, then we're going to turn off the gas. As you see, the milk started to boil, and this is it. We turn off the gas, the milk started to go down. And now we're going to cover it with the lid. And we're going to let it cool down. Milk has been cooled down, and if we check it now, make sure that your hands are clean. Put your finger inside. It's kind of lukewarm. This is what you need. You don't need a hot milk or you don't need a cold milk. Enough warm that you can feel the warmness. That's it. I have a pot ready. Make dahi inside the same pot. If you have a clay pot, that is the best thing. In order to make a dahi, you need a starter. We call it also culture. This is my old dahi. So about 1 tablespoon dahi. So it's like 1 tablespoon. So if you add more or less, that won't make a difference. Whenever we make a dahi, it's always sweet. It's not really sour. But if your dahi is sour, then don't add too much. Then your new dahi which you're going to make, it's going to become sour. So now we're going to put milk inside. I have a little leftover milk. Get a paper towel and we're going to clean it from the side. As we are pouring in, it's spilled on the side, so just making sure that it's clean nicely. And now with the help of spoon, just going to stir it. So just make sure that it's nicely combined. Just stir it a few times like this. It's all done. I'm going to cover with the lid again. This is household blanket. I'm going to use this one. Now I'm going to place the pot right here. So once we place the pot, now we're going to cover it. So we're going to cover it. We're going to make sure that nicely tucked like this. It's fully covered from all sides. And now, very important, it's a good idea to keep it 6 to 8 hours. The best thing to do it at night time. It's exactly 8 hours. I'm going to open it. Let me close in. So this is how it looks after 8 hours. Let me show you. This is how it looks at this moment, and you don't want to touch it or disturb it at all. Our dahi is ready after 8 hours. We can eat it at this time, but it will be soft at this time. For the better results, it's a good idea to keep it in fridge for 1 day. So let's put it in the fridge. So now we're going to put it in the fridge. Without moving or disturbing it. We'll place it inside. And now we're going to come back after 1 day. It's exactly 24 hours. I'll open the fridge. I'll take it out. So we let it sit for 24 hours. I'll open it. And if we see, nice and firm. As you can see, that's how it's easy and simple to make homemade dahi at home. Please try it the same way as I have shown to you, and you will get the same consistency. Look at this. This is what you need. Firm. When you're going to eat it, you will like it. Very delicious. This is the best homemade dahi and very easy to make. So if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye. So you've seen it. It's so easy to make and it's super tasty. Now the question is how long we can use it. Personally, we end up using up within 2 days. And 2 to 3 times a week, we make 1 gallon of homemade dahi. And it depending on you, if you have a smaller family, and you can eat it for 1 week easily. Won't be able to use it within couple days, then you can make a buttermilk, which is a lassi. You can make it sweet lassi, you can make it salted lassi, and that is very tasty, very nutritious, very healthy. There is many ways you can use this homemade dahi. You can make a lassi, mango lassi, you can make strawberry lassi, roux afza lassi. I mean, name it. There are so many things you can do with this. So please try it and share your comment below how it turned out for you. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.